Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I will show you how to turn on or OFF autocorrect on Android mobile in detailed steps. So, let's start the video. But before proceeding with this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. If you want to enable the autocorrect feature on your phone, then open Setting. Go to Additional Settings. Tap on Language and Input. Manage Keyboards, then Gboard. Tap on Corrections and Suggestions. Tap Autocorrection to enable it. Optional, turn on Show Suggestion Strip and Next Word Suggestions. If you've installed another keyboard, open Settings. Go to Additional Settings. Tap Language and Input. Tap on Manage Keyboards, then tap on the keyboard you're using. Tap Corrections and Suggestion. Review Autocorrect settings to enable it. Autocorrect is managed through the keyboard settings. Most use Gboard by default. Open Settings. Tap Additional Settings. Language and Input, manage keyboards. Gboard. Tap Corrections and Suggestions. Turn off auto corrections to disable it. Optional, turn off Show Suggestion Strip and Next Word Suggestions. If you've installed another keyboard, open Settings. Tap Additional Settings. Tap Language and Input. Tap on Manage Keyboards, then tap on the keyboard you're using. Tap Corrections and Suggestions. Review Autocorrect settings to disable it. So, this is all about how to turn on or OFF autocorrect on Android in detailed steps. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos.
Thanks for watching.